Hi boys and girls, Miss Skinner's going to do some math with you for Tuesday, May 19th. Okay, we've been doing a lot with the number 5. Show me 5 on your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. I've shown you this before. It is a quarter, a 25-cent coin. 25. We're going to count to 25 using our fingers. Each finger is going to count as a 5. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, a quarter has 5 sets of 5, which in terms of money are nickels. So 5 nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 makes up a quarter. Okay? Little fun fact about 5. So now we're going to practice counting by 5s. For every 5, we'll do 1 jazz hand. For every 10, we'll do 2. 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. Okay. We're going to practice some ways to make 5 and maybe how you would subtract from 5 and what numbers you would get, either subtracting or adding. What numbers would you use? Okay, so show me 5. So let's take 2 away from 5. How many do we have left? 3. Okay, well now let's make 5. So let's say I have 1. How many more do I need to make 5? 4. So 1 and 4 added together makes 5. Okay, let's do some addition and subtraction. First of all, when we are adding, we use the plus sign. That means add. That means you take a number like 2 and a number like 3, you add them together and you make 5. Okay, when we're subtracting, we use this one. Take away, subtract. Okay, so let's do an adding one first. Let's say that Miss Skinner has 3 plus 2. If you're not sure, use your fingers. 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could just say 3, because you know this is 3, and then count on. So 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 makes 5. Okay, you can also use cubes to count if you have cubes at home, or maybe you've got some pennies that Mom and Dad will let you use, or maybe you've got little pieces of paper will work, little blocks, whatever you need to use for counters, or maybe you know just by looking at your fingers, or maybe you've learned them and you know them in your head. That's great. Okay, let's do one where it's take away. And I'm going to mix it up, and I'm going to go across this time. 5 take away 2. Because sometimes math problems will go across. 5 take away 2 equals. Okay, I can show you this right on my hand. 5. Here's 5. Take 2 of them away. How many are left? 3. You got it. Okay. Now, I'm going to get kind of tricky on us. And I'm going to leave a mystery space. 5 plus how many equals 8? 5 plus how many more to get 8? Okay, if you're not sure, say 5 and then count on till you get to 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers over here? 3. So 5 plus 3 must equal 8. Very good. Very, very good. So in your packet you have this. It says make it 5. And at the top you've got problems that go up and down. Like 5 take away 2, 5 plus 0. So make sure you're looking carefully at the sign. Is it a minus or a plus? Okay, look carefully. And then in the middle part you have same thing. It's either a plus or a minus, but the problems are going across, just like I showed you on the whiteboard. Down at the bottom it says challenge, and it's just like what I did here. Okay, where you have 5 plus something equals something, or like this one it says 10 equals 6 plus something. Okay, so you have to look closely. That's the challenge part. If you find that that's just way too hard for you, you don't have to do it, but at least try it, okay? Then on the back, start at 1, go as high as you can. If you can go to 30, that's great. If you can only go to 10, that's fine. If you can go all the way to 100, do it, but you don't have to go higher than 100. All right? Good job, friends. See you tomorrow.